once again.
Hello guys, this is Rochelle Rosenberg. So, I want to show you guys how to show your community tab. Right in front of you, I have my channel, and there have been a hoax where people say that because you are less 1,000 subscribers, you cannot have community tab or discussion tab. But they also say that because you have more than 1,000, you can either lose the tab section. So first and foremost, I will show you what I meant. So here we have Red Siasa, and this is what you see when you are going to someone's channel. Alright, so it leads you to the home, like the front page of their channel, and you will see this community tab. This is the community tab. I think you can see my arrow, and when we press that, you can see that he can post video, he can post picture, and it's also it's also the same with Ingrata de Ortiz. She have more than 8,000, so she also have the community tab. But what about me? I'll show you how you can change that. Alright, first, this is the easiest way you can customize your community tab or discussion tab, because on people who have less than 1,000 subscribers, it's called discussion tab, but for people who have 1,000 and more subscribers, it's called community tab. Alright, first we can go to our own channel, and first and foremost, of course, you have to press your channel, and it will lead you to this. You will see Customize and YouTube Studio. You can either go to your Customize channel. Okay, on your Customize channel, it will look like this, and on the right corner you can see this wheel. There's a wheel, and you can press that, and here you see that there's a show discussion tab. Alright, now let's see. We can press that on, and you can display automatically. Okay, because if you press don't display until approved, it means that if people would post something there, you still can have this on, but if you put this don't display, then people can still message you there, but they cannot see their message until you have approved it. Alright, now we can save it. Okay, now you see that I have the discussion tab. If I press the discussion tab, these are the things that I am allowed to share. I can just type, and I can as well share some link. Alright, it will look like that, and I can press the comment, and it will not look different. It will still look the same as a link. Alright, so now you know how to do it the fastest way. But what if we hide it, or what if we do it another way? We can go back to our channel. We can go back to our channel, and we go again to the right corner top of our screen, and we go to the settings. Alright, now we are on the settings. We can go to, oh, I think I'm on the wrong place, I'm sorry guys. We can go to the YouTube Studio, I mean. Okay, now we are on the YouTube Studio. So what we're gonna do is that we can go to the settings, and we can go to the community, and here on this community panel, you can see your moderators. You can see the people you have approved. People that you approve, for example, when they are on a live chat or on the comment section of your videos. you sometimes can block them, or there are words that they have written that was blocked from your own settings. Okay, but we will go to the default. On the default, you will see now your comments. Alright, comments on your videos and comments on your discussion tab. All the things you share on your community tab or discussion tab can be allowed or not. Alright, so if we allow all comments, it means that people, once you have posted something or written something, people can comment you, right? But if we disable, you will see what will happen. You see that it didn't appear there again. Alright, so what we're gonna do is to go again to the settings, to the community, and let's go to default and allow. Okay, let's see again and refresh. Now you see that the discussion tab is there again. Alright, so guys, that's how you're gonna change the settings of your discussion channel. And if you think that this video have helped you, please share it, and you are free to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and getting along to the tutorial. God bless you. See you again.